Hey folks, here's a fun one. Have you ever tried making lasagna out of plantains? So this is going to be a very polarizing episode because pastelón, just like other traditional recipes, is very unique to each household. And everybody will fight you to defend what they think is the right way to make it. And spoiler alert, we're going to make it all kinds of wrong. We start off by peeling all of our plantains. The best way I've found is to chop off each end, run a slit down one side, and pop it open. Then, chop each piece into thirds or quarters so they fit nicely in your saucepan. Technique is optional here. Add some salt and water, just enough to cover, and bring to a low boil. The sauce is going to be the fun part. Mince some garlic and dice some onions. With some oil added to your warmed pan, add and stir. We're using a whole mess of spices in this recipe, so instead of listing them off for the next 5 minutes, you can find them written in the recipe notes. Add your tomatoes. I'm just using canned, but go ahead and smash some whole tomatoes in if you're feeling keen. We're going to add in some molasses and some acid. We're just making barbecue sauce from scratch at this point. Then add your sliced olives and your filling. I'm tossing in some jackfruit because I need fiber this week. If you don't want a vegetarian option, ground beef is going to be your friend here. Your plantains will be done when they're soft and a fork slides easily through them. Transfer them to a large mixing bowl with some salt, some butter, and some milk, and give them the mashed potato treatment. We want the plantain to be easily spread with a spoon, so add more liquid if necessary. This step is only if you use jackfruit. When it's softened up, remove it from the sauce with a slotted spoon, add to a large mixing bowl, and give it the mashed potato treatment for perfect pulled jackfruit. Here's where we get artsy. Thinly layer your jackfruit, your cheese, and your plantain. Spread the plantain lightly so you don't disturb the layers underneath, and continue until you run out of layers. Toss it in the oven until the cheese melts, then split it up into your meals for the week. And there you go, folks. 10 delicious meals for the week. And have fun explaining to your colleagues what smells so good at lunchtime. As always, if you noticed any mistakes that I made, or if there's any recipes that you want to see me make, please leave a note in the comments below. And if you try it out, let me know how it goes. Thank you again for watching. Until next time.